Hey everybody, Monty here. Geometry, Mathia. Okay, we've had a great 5 weeks. Then all of a sudden I was doing this problem and stuff came up that we didn't talk about in class. That's going to happen. Okay, so let's take a look at this. We're on week 6 now. Okay, and a lot of you are just rolling right along. I want to show you several things that just happened on this problem. Okay, so we're into this polygon, looking at parallel lines. Right, we got the coordinates, the X and the Y, we're graphing, and all of a sudden it says Forrest walked east a number of blocks, then he walked north a number of blocks to a friend's house. He took a shortcut on the way back home as shown by the dashed line. He walked a total of 24 blocks. How long was his trip back to the house? Okay, so we're actually going to use this data. Okay, so east is to the right. Okay, all right. So he walked to the east. That's down here. How far did he walk? Well, if this is 20, 30, and this is 26, 38, this is 26. So 20 to 26. 20 to 26 is 6 units, right? And then he walked north from 30 to 38. So he goes 6 this way, he's going to go 8 this way, 6 and 8 is 14, he walks a total of 24, that's 10 blocks, okay? So that was the previous problem. You could have done that, right? You take this minus this, 26 minus 6, you get the 6. 38 minus the 30, you get the 8. Well, if he walks 24 blocks and he just walked 6 and he just walked 8, that leaves 10. Okay. Then the next problem pops up and it says a trapezoid. What is the area of a trapezoid? Monty, you never told us that. You're on a computer. Open up a new web browser. Type in area of a trapezoid. Okay? And the area of a trapezoid happens to be the top plus the bottom divided by 2. Okay? So you want to find an average between the top and the bottom. Cool. Right? It starts like this, take an average and makes it a rectangle. And then we got this height, whatever the height is. Okay? All right. Let's go back to the problem now. You had to actually pick the formula. They had them listed. 1/2 top plus bottom divided by 2, 1/2 times the top plus the bottom, then times the letter H, which is the height of. Okay? Now, let's say you're not good at math. Okay, you don't want to take a calculator out. And the next part says, what is the length of B1? What's B1? The first base. Let PA be the second base. Okay, TR. Let's go find TR. TR. 110, 50. 110 and 50. Well, you can see I did it wrong. It told me I did it wrong. Okay? When you get it wrong, that was PA. We needed TR. So let's just erase. Okay? And I wanted you to see that you can just type right in here. So what was it? 110, 110 minus 50. 110 minus 50. And it does the math for you. Okay? That's a helpful tool. B2 is PA. So you got to go back and forth. There's a lot of going back and forth here, right? 95, 65. 95 minus 65. Cool. The H of the trapezoid. So what's the height of this thing? Well, it's on a graph. If this is 30 and this is 15, 30 minus 15. 30 minus 15. So now we're going to do the area, okay, in square miles. So it does it for you, okay. There's all the different ways. 15 times 15 is the bottom one. That's a square. 30 times 15 divided by 2. 30 times 15. I don't like that, right? 30 times 15. 30, no, because there's a divided by 2. Okay. This top one. 1/2 the height, the H, and then the top and the bottom put together. The 60 is the bottom, 30 is the top. Put them together, divide by 2. There it is. Okay? So anytime you struggle and you're not sure, the hints are going to help you. But you also can open up a web browser. Just type it in. Okay? Hopefully that was helpful. Before I go on, let's see what the next problem is. Oh, wow. So we had to graph a few coordinate points. We had to look for parallel lines. And that finished this workspace. Hopefully that was helpful for week 6 on Mathia. Oh, we're finally going to get to perpendicular and parallel lines, which is what we've been doing in class. Have a great day.